Hi everybody, welcome. So glad you can join me, and my sidekicks are here too for another video. Do you want to say hi, Zena? Can you say hi to everybody? Say hi. Zena's here, Wyatt's here too. Looking lively, isn't he though? Right? So, today I have a Rocksbox unboxing for you. Rocksbox is a subscription jewelry service. It's a rental service, so it is fun if you like to try new things and you're not sure if you want to invest in them. So you can try things like climbers or fringe earrings or things you want to try out before you take the plunge and spend the money. It is $21 a month. That money you can put towards keeping something. You can keep the jewelry as long as you like before you decide if you want to send it back or keep something. You don't have to keep the whole set. You can keep one item in the set. And you don't have to decide within a month. You can keep it as long as you want, and you could pay, put that $21 towards an item each month. So if you wanted to keep all 3 pieces, you could put, decide the first month to keep one item and apply the $21, and then the next month apply the $21 for the second item and go from there. So you have a lot of flexibility in how you decide to keep or return the jewelry. So I love that. I've really been enjoying it. It does come in this very cute little box. I love the presentation. So for those of you guys that have been watching me for a while, do you remember whenever Zena was not feeling well for a while, and it turned out she had this severely infected lymph node in her left shoulder? So check out her shoulder. Look at how her fur, look how her fur is like a different color now. She probably isn't going to let me show you. I don't know if you guys can see that, but she has this patch here now where her fur is like a totally different color, and it's like a different texture on her shoulder. Is that not interesting? I had to call the vet because I want to make sure she was okay, but they said when you have like a trauma in a certain spot that their fur can turn a different color like that. Fascinating. She's fine now. Everything is good, but isn't that odd that her fur is a different color now? Okay, so inside the box, it looks like this. I do get some information. It tells me what all of my items are and some pricing and my style. You do fill out a profile, and you also can put together a wish list, and you can put a bunch of things on your wish list. I think I have like 40 items on my wish list. So your stylist can pick things from your wish list. You also get to preview your set before they send it to you, and you can swap out items if you don't like them. So all of that I think is awesome with Rocksbox. So I do get a note from my stylist. Her name is Megan, and we'll go over prices once we see what I got here. You do get a little care card that tells you how to take care of your jewelry, and for a limited time, I can get an extra $5 off my current set if I keep any piece in this. Zena's getting rowdy again. So she's no longer my sleepy sidekick. Wyatt over here, still sleeping, is still my sleepy sidekick. I think Zena is now my rowdy sidekick and wants all the attention. She really wants all the treats. Huh, you're now my rowdy assistant. So let's check these items out. They come in this cute little bundle. You do get a return. You keep everything. The package that it comes in, the box, you put it all right back. They give you a little label to return everything. So it all goes nicely back exactly how it came. Even the bag puts it right back in the bag, and there's a sticky to seal it right back. So look how pretty. I love the purple bag here. First item says Melinda Maria. Oh, and it's a ring. I'm going to take off my rings so we can put it on right away. What do you think, Z? So we're in the middle of a polar vortex here in PA. It's like 7 degrees outside. It is so cold out. They canceled school. Check out that ring. That's pretty. I love the colors in that. Love the turquoise and blues. That is so pretty. And it does go all the way around. I like that. That is so pretty. So that is called the Melinda Maria Isla ring in silver and opal. The retail price is $48 and the member price is $47. It's not a big discount there. But that's not a bad price, I don't think. It is sterling silver. I think that is so pretty. And I don't know if you guys, if I can hold that even closer, if you guys can see how it is, has a little bit of an opal-y look to it. Can you guys see that? I hope. It's really pretty. All right, next up is a necklace. So this looks like someone else had it before me, which this is rental, so that's very possible. I say that because it's twisted on the holder here. So this is the Sophie X Sterling Pave square pendant. Retail price is $70 and the member price is $59. See how it's on backwards. So when someone didn't want to keep it and returned it, they didn't put it back on here properly. So I think that's pretty. Let me put that on for you. I take off my big heavy necklace for today. All right, what do you think, huh? This is pretty. It would look pretty on you, huh, Z? You don't care. All right, if I don't get it on here in the next second, I'll pause. And I didn't. Okay, so I will pause. Okay, so I got it on. This is what it looks like. Let me get a little bit closer. I think it's pretty. It's very delicate. Hopefully it doesn't flip around. I think it's okay. I think it won't. But hopefully you guys can see that. I think it's pretty. Very delicate. I like it. You could always double it up and wear a longer necklace with it as well. I think that's pretty. All right. The last item is the Slate Jessie hoops in silver and mother of pearl for $51. The retail is $60. Check those out. So these have a little bit of weight to them. I do like that mother of pearl look. And these are very cute. Zena's pawing at me. Still wanting attention. Did you want this video to be about you? Or do you want jewelry? You guys can't see her. She's looking at me. I need to get a wide lens, huh? So these are big. Check those out. Those might be too big for me. What do you think? So what do you guys think of those? You would definitely have to wear a smaller necklace, I think, but I think these are cute. I'm just wondering if they're too big for me. All right, so that's all 3 pieces. If I were to keep all 3 pieces, they were $157 and you would get a $10 discount. And you could apply your $21 credit for the month towards it as well. Or buy 1 piece at a time. So I think my favorite piece out of this is this ring. I really like this ring. I think that's super pretty. All right. So what did you guys think? Tell me what your favorite piece is. I will put my link down below, my referral link for Rocksbox. If you would like to try this service out and you use my link, you will get your first box for free. So the $21 monthly fee would be waived for the very first month. I will list all of these items down below, just in case you do already subscribe and want to add any of these items to your wish list and would like to check any of them out. So thank you so much for joining me and my sidekicks for another video. We're so happy to have you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please consider hitting that like button and showing us some some support. Would love it if you would join the fun and hit the subscribe button. If you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you so very much. Xena is so ready for a treat. Wyatt is wondering what she's upset about. Till next time, everyone, have an awesome day. Bye.